Alrighty folks, Dan here from Danaconda Outdoors. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm out here on the river again. It's January 16th, I believe, 2021. Nice little Sunday afternoon, and I found some open water that's not too far from my house, down here in the Front Range, just north of Denver. And it looks pretty good. The reports look good. Got a decent little flow here, and definitely some pockets that run underneath this frontage road. There is a long seam, so no ice, which I am super psyched about. As you guys know, I broke now both of my rods, and they are so backed up that I'm not going to get my rods back for a few months. So I just went out and bought a cheapo combo 3-weight, and we're just going to give it a go. I mean, I'm really looking forward to just having some fun on the river today. It's been a few weeks. So hey folks, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. That way you won't miss out on any of the upcoming videos that I'm going to be having. I plan on fishing this river a lot, depending on how things go today, but I imagine we should have some good success, so you don't want to miss those videos. So let's get ready for some major fishing action. What is up? I am on the hunt for another fly rod to hold me over, and we're at one of these big box stores, so I'm just gonna get something not terribly expensive today, just something to kind of get me out on the river. So let's see what we find here. Check some of these out. See what we can find. Alrighty folks, we're gonna go with this White River. This is a 3-weight. It's a Rio 4X leader, which I'll probably use tippet rings and get it as light as I need to. But yeah, we're just gonna check this out. It's under $100 for this little combo, and yeah, we'll see what happens here. Stay tuned. Alrighty, we're gonna just drop in this deep little pool here. I didn't feel like bringing my waders or my landing net, so just really want to just try this area out, see what happens. Haven't seen very much action in this spot, so I think we're going to be moving on. I might go upriver a ways. I might have to drive around there. You see, I haven't seen anything rising over here. Just a gorgeous day. There is a hatch happening right now. It's like a little BWO flying around my head. So if there's fish out here, they should be going after it. About noon. Alright, let's change locations here. Alrighty folks, I'm beginning to think there's no fish in this river, but we shall persevere and move on. I'm gonna move even further up the river, see what I can get into. Supposedly there is rainbow and cutthroat trout in here, so I'd really like to get cutthroat. I have yet to catch one of those, so it's my bucket list fish here for Colorado. All right, let's move next section of river. Alrighty folks, decided to move location, and there's a state park on that river I was fishing that looked like it had some good stretches in it, but after checking with the park rangers there, they're not allowed to fish the rivers because it's private. So I switched locations, like really switched locations. So we're on the same river, but much further west, over in Lyons. I've actually never fished these waters. I've always wanted to, so let's see what happens. Stay tuned. The flows are super low. And birdie taking a bath there. There's one nice pool back there by that bridge. There's a guy in there working that area. So I'm just gonna keep going upriver here just to see if anything opens up. Alright, looks like this has opened up, so there should be a few fish holding, probably about 4 feet deep at the end of that little slough. So we'll see if we can get my midges in there and see what happens. grab some yarn. The only thing I have is a larger indicator, so. Got a cast. Alrighty folks, that's gonna be a wrap. This is a stretch of river I was kind of working. It's got a nice 4-foot hole where fish are supposedly holding. I couldn't see anything in there, but I gave it all I could with several different fly patterns. But empty-handed, skunked. It all happens to us. Most important thing is just being out here in the river. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Leave me a comment below. Pretty good responder on things, and would love to hear your feedback. So again, thanks for watching. This is Dan from Danaconda Outdoors, out.